Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to scan a document quickly and easily on your iPhone? I will show you how to do it using the built-in Notes app. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Notes app. Tap the Create button at the bottom right corner to start a new note. In the new note, tap the camera icon above the keyboard. From the option that appear, tap Scan Document. Position your document within the viewfinder. Your iPhone will automatically detect the edge of the document and capture it. If it doesn't capture automatically, you can tap on the short button to take the scan manually. After adjusting the scan, you can adjust the corner to fit the document perfectly. Once you are satisfied, tap Keep Scan. To scan additional pages, repeat the process. Once you are done, tap Save at the bottom right. Your scanned document is now saved in the note. You can share it by tapping the share icon and choosing your preferred method, or simply keep it saved in your Notes app. And that's it guys, you successfully scanned a document using your iPhone. If you found the tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.